Juni Fiora, kajing betip nam tai kuar light kam hikai. Kidan light li ki kam hikai ki balat, ki brejong ki deficit post te ngane tu kat kompine ki post ki ba light haki kat kuar. Te kawan kong ngade one post of assistant teacher science at Lingham Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Mau Thengkut West Khaskil kabahapo riangdo. Qualification BSc dan MSc GBZ, B.Ed salary and age as per deficit system. Due date of submission, last date kendai khatsan tarik pendai kendai arjar R. Incomplete document will be rejected. Interview will be informed through your contact number. Tiak interview kinsa inform lengba ki contact number ki jong pi tenam tag tip khomnya phila ban phone kini number ki dadap ai hapo khnai prasan ru R ru way not license but nu way pat pra nyau R khnai pra way pra ndreu. Te nam tag tip khomnya phila ban skene ko way pat ka R assistant teacher at Paryong Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Paryong ka Paryong qualification kadai MSc B.Ed with maths in BSc mudba pide bende ki ba shimat sapo BSc ka salary as per deficit pattern. Application should reach the secretary on or before 16/9/2022 within 4 p.m. Phapan poi ya ka application jong pi hapo ka khat tarik within 4 p.m. kanero deficit pattern sa kawai biang one assistant teacher at Walingdo Primary School under Mau Kendrou block qualification as per NCTE norms. A candidate should possess the lower primary MTET certificate kene kade jongki LP phapan pass ya ka LP MTET certificate phap done. The upper age limit SC/ST 35 plus 5 with suppose name, OBC 35 plus 3 life first name. Ka salary kade under deficit system. Interested candidate phila aban send standard form to secretary school on or before kandai R fly tarik kandai adjap R contact number adap I pra lai nyau not nyau san khat R te kino ki badon ka qualification ko ban tab phila ban contact number la ne phila ban lej bu application hak school bagi don kinai ki school fully